In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice typing in Google Docs. If you've ever wished you could get your ideas onto the page faster, this built-in tool lets you speak and see your words appear as text, which is perfect for quick drafts, notes, or getting thoughts down without breaking your flow. With your document open, look to the top menu bar. Click on Tools, then choose Voice Typing. As soon as you do, a small microphone panel will appear alongside your document. It usually sits near the left margin, so it's easy to spot while you work. Think of this panel as the on and off switch for dictation. To start dictating, click the microphone icon in that panel. When it's active, the microphone typically changes color to indicate it's listening. Position your cursor in the spot where you want the text to appear, and then begin speaking in a clear, steady voice. There's no need to over-enunciate, just keep a natural pace, pronounce words clearly, and leave short pauses between sentences to help with accuracy. As you talk, your words will appear directly in the document. This live transcription is helpful because you can immediately see what the system heard and make mental notes of anything to fix later. If you notice a minor mistake, don't worry. Keep speaking to capture your ideas, and plan to tidy things up once you stop. Many people find it helpful to focus on content first and polish afterward, especially for longer passages. For best results, try to work in a quiet space and speak facing your microphone. If a term is uncommon or a proper noun, it can help to say the sentence again in a slightly different way. You can also keep your sentences concise. Shorter statements are often transcribed more accurately than long, winding phrases. When you're finished, click the microphone again to stop. The icon will return to its inactive state and dictation will end. At this point, read through your text, add any punctuation or formatting you want, and make quick corrections to ensure everything looks the way you intended. That's all there is to it. Open voice typing from the Tools menu, click the microphone to start, speak clearly while your words appear on the page, and click the microphone again to stop. With a little practice, this can become a fast, comfortable way to draft content and capture ideas right inside Google Docs.